Today I am going to talk about the SWAN trading panel, the tool that I have been developing for the past 6 months. I am going to show you all of its features and tell you how to use it. This is what you are going to see after you load the indicator, and your main focus is going to be on these indicators right here. And with that being the trend indicator, reversion indicator, and support and resistance indicator. We'll start with the trend indicator. This tool is extremely simple to read. Basically, if you see a green field, then it means that there's an uptrend, and if you see a red field, then it means that there's a downtrend. If you wish to open a certain chart, then all you have to do is just click on the field and you will be taken there. For this case, we'll open GBP USD on 1 hour chart. Just click on it, and as you can see, you have been taken there. This line works the same. If the line is green, then there's an uptrend, and if the line is red, then there's a downtrend. Moving on, now I'm going to talk about this reversion indicator right here. To get a grasp on this indicator, it is going to be best just to show you how it looks like on the chart, so you can understand it well. So for this purpose, let's open GBP/USD 15-minute time frame, and when you do so, you will be presented with something like this. Now, how to read this indicator? It's extremely simple, just watch. This golden zone in the middle represents the mean price for certain time frame. In this case, it's 200 moving average. And these zones above and below this golden zone basically represents how far the price is from its mean. As the color is more full, the price is further from its mean, and that's it. Now I'm going to discuss the last indicator that comes up with the SWAN trading panel, and with that being the support and resistance indicator located right here. As we all know, the support and resistance areas are the building block of successful price action trading. Therefore, it's extremely important to know when and where do these areas occur. So let's check it. Basically, if you spot a green field, then it means that there is a support zone, and if you spot a red field, then it means that there is a resistance zone. So for example, just let me refresh the indicator and let's check it. For example, here Euro USD 50-minute time frame. If we click on this field, we can see that the price is indeed touching the support zone. And if we go back and try, for example, USD Yen 50 minutes, then we can see a beautiful resistance zone that actually worked. Okay, so that's how this indicator works. Now that I have shown you the main indicators of the SWAN trading panel, I'm going to move to the supporting features of this indicator. And I'll be starting with the currency strength meter that is located right here. To open this indicator, just click on the box and you'll be taken to a new chart. Just a few words about the concept of currency strength meter. These values basically represent how much did the price changed during the last X days. In this case, it's during the last 14 days. And based on this information, you can tell which currency pairs are strong and which currency pairs are weak. Moving on, now I'm going to talk about the currency volumes meter that is located right below the currency strength meter. I'm going to click on the box and I'll be taken to a new chart. Here you can see the volumes of each of these instruments over the last X days. In this case, it's over the last 14 days. This information can become handy when deciding which markets are the best for you to trade. Now it is time to talk about the market sessions feature that is located right here. Basically, if the area is lit, then it means that the corresponding session is active, and if it has like this shade of gray, then the session is not active. So based on this table, we can say that currently the London session and New York sessions are active. Let's talk about the last feature of the Black Swan training panel, and that is news filter right here. This news filter shows you the most recent economical event, and this information can become handy when you are trying to avoid the dangerous periods in the market. Out of these parameters, the most useful one is this one, and it basically tells you how important this event is going to be. As the value is larger, then the event is going to be more important, therefore it's going to be more dangerous to trade during this period right here, and vice versa. So this is it for this video. I hope that by now you have a good understanding on how the Black Swan indicator works, but if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact me and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you very much for watching and take care.